We have to discuss about the organic chemistry of the plus 2 second year science students, that is haloalkane and haloarine. What is haloalkane? Now haloalkane, it is the derivative of alkane. When in the alkane the hydrogen is replaced by a halogen, then we said halogen. Here the hydrogen atom is replaced by halogen, that is called haloalkane or alkyl halide. Okay, then let us take an example. When in case of methane the hydrogen is replaced by chlorine, then we can say CH3Cl, that is chloromethane or methyl chloride. These are the basic concepts we have to learn from the chapter haloalkane and haloarine to go the brief knowledge through the brief knowledge. So let us discuss about classification of haloalkanes. There are three types of haloalkanes. First one is mono haloalkane. Second one is di haloalkane. And the third one is tri haloalkane. First we have to discuss about mono haloalkane. Mono haloalkane. Mono haloalkane hoji the haloalkane which contain exactly one halogen atom. The haloalkane is defined as the haloalkane which contains exactly one halogen atom. That is example CH3Cl C2H5 Br. Okay. Then we have to discuss about dihaloalkane. Dihaloalkane what? Now the dihaloalkane is defined as the haloalkane which contain exactly two halogen atom is called as dihaloalkane, such as example CH3 CH Cl2 or CH2 CH2 Br. This is the ethyl chloride, ethyl bromide. Then we have to discuss about trihaloalkane. Now it is simply we can define that it contains only three halogen atom. The example is CHCl3 chloroform or CH2 CH2 Br. Then again we have to classify the monohaloalkanes, that is classification of monohaloalkane. There are three types of monohaloalkane. First one is primary monohaloalkane. Second one is secondary monohaloalkane. And the third one is tertiary monohaloalkane. primary monohaloalkane. First we have to discuss primary monohaloalkane. Primary monohaloalkane कौन? Now the haloalkane in which hydrogen atom directly attached with primary carbon atom is called as primary monohaloalkane. The haloalkane in which halogen atom directly attached with primary carbon atom is called. ताहले कौन एग्जांपल आमे नहीं पाइबा CH3 CH2 Cl. Here the halogen atom is directly attached with the primary carbon atom. A primary carbon atom, why we can say this is the primary carbon atom? Because it attached with the one carbon atom, so it is called primary carbon atom. Exactly. Secondary monohaloalkane we define. CH3 CH Cl. The haloalkane in which halogen atom two halogen atom. No, sorry. The secondary monohaloalkane in which the halogen atom directly attached with a secondary carbon. The halogen atom is directly attached with secondary carbon atom. Then tertiary monohaloalkane. Tertiary monohaloalkane कौन? Na tertiary monohaloalkane is defined as where the halogen atom is directly attached with three carbon atom. That is called tertiary carbon. The halogen is attached with the tertiary carbon. So that's why we say this is tertiary monohaloalkane. Then we have to discuss about vinyl halide. Vinyl halide is defined as the organic compound in which the halogen atom is directly attached with the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. The halogen atom, example we take example, then आप लोगों को समझ में आएगा students. CH, this is the halogen atom which is attached with the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Why we can say this is the sp2 hybridized carbon atom? Now because the bonding is a double bond achi, there is a double bond, so that's why we can say it is the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. There we have to discuss about allyl halide. Allyl halide कौन? Now the organic compound in which the halogen atom is directly attached with sp3 hybridized carbon atom and the next carbon atom is sp2 hybridized carbon is called as allyl halide. So for the halogen atom which is directly attached with sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is again next attached with sp2 hybridized carbon atom. This is the sp3 and this is the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. This is called allyl halide. Then aryl halide. Aryl halide is simply in the benzene ring, the organic compound in which the halogen atom is directly attached with the benzene ring. Benzene ring is directly attached with halogen, ताको कहबा aryl halide. So again I can say vinyl halide, the organic compound in which the halogen atom is directly attached with sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Allyl halide, the organic compound in which the halogen atom is directly attached with the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and the next one is sp2 hybridized. And aryl halide, the organic compound or the halogen atom is simply attached with the benzene ring. This is called as aryl halide. Then benzyl halide हम देखिए. Benzyl halide. Benzyl halide are of three types. These are the structure first we can say consider, then I discussed about. There is a short trick we remember, that's why it is easy to remind. This is called as benzyl chloride. What is the short trick? Now after the carbon atom a single bond is present, so we take benzyl chloride. Here benzyl dichloride. What is the trick? Now after the carbon atom there is two bonds. There is two bonds. So we can say benzyl. That is after carbon atom there is a single bond. So we can say benzyl. After the carbon atom here there are two bonds are present. So we can say benzyl. And here after the carbon atom there is three single bonds. So we can say benzo trichloride. So there is il benzyl, there is al benzyl, there is benzo. So again we can say after carbon atom a single bond is present, so we can say benzyl chloride. After carbon atom there is two bonds present, so we can say benzyl dichloride. After carbon atom there are three bonds are present, single bonds are present, so we can say benzo trichloride. Then after that we come to vicinal dihalide. What is vicinal dihalide? Vicinal dihalide. Vicinal dihalide, the organic compound in which the halogen atoms are directly attached with the two adjacent carbon atoms. CH2 single bond CH2, that is Cl, that is Cl. So the organic compound in which the halogen atoms are directly attached with the two adjacent carbon atoms. Halogen atom link ହେଇଯିବେ ଯଦି टू दीटा adjacent carbon atom को सहित ताहले that's why we say this is called as vicinal dihalide. Then geminal dihalide, the organic compound in which the two halogen atom is directly attached with the one carbon atom. The two halogen atom directly attached with the one carbon atom is called as geminal dihalide. तापरे polymethylene dihalide. Polymethylene dihalide कौन? The organic compound in which the halogen atom is directly attached with the terminal end of the compound. Here the terminal ends are these and the halogen atom are directly attached to the terminal carbon atom. Then per haloalkane. Now per haloalkane is defined as this is the structure of ethane. In the place of hydrogen, if we place the hydrogen, we replace the hydrogen as fluorine, then it is the structure of per haloalkane. These are the basic concept of the haloalkane and haloalane chapter. So in the next class we have to briefly discuss about all the reactions and with the short tricks. Thank you. and आपको अच्छा लगेगा तो एक लाइक दबा देना.